Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to transfer cryptocurrencies from Revolut to your external wallet, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and log in. Make sure you have cryptocurrency available to transfer. Step 2. Tap on Crypto from the main menu. Here you'll see your crypto balances. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap on it to open details. Step 4. Tap Send or Withdraw. Then choose External Wallet. Step 5. Enter the wallet address where you want to send your crypto. Double-check the address carefully to avoid mistakes. Step 6. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. You may need to complete security verification. Step 7. Wait for the transfer to process. Times vary depending on the crypto network. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.